The Oxford vaccine appeared the biggest promise after the pandemic broke out last year. Today, none is more controversial or appears less convincing. Other vaccines are reporting about 90% success. The Oxford trial showed a 62% success rate in the trial that went as intended, which meant a 2 in 5 chance that you can take the vaccine and still get the virus, though it is claimed that the infection would be less acute. The Oxford team did suggest up to 90% success, but that suggestion arose from results with no more than 3 individuals through the course of the clinical trial who were given a smaller dose of the vaccine than was planned. Oxford then averaged these results out, 62% here, 90% there, to suggest 70% efficacy. This kind of averaging was rejected by most, and most significantly, it was rejected by the MHRA, the Medicines and Healthcare Regulatory Authority of Britain, whose job it is to approve vaccines. The Oxford vaccine was approved, but not on the basis of that 90% claim. For a start, just what was Oxford doing making a mistake over simple dosage in a trial such as this, and when has a trial mattered more? And then to throw out the suggestion and no more on the basis of results with 3 individuals that perhaps if you give people less vaccine, it may work better. This surely is far from scientific. And now a huge ethical issue has arisen over the trials. Oxford did not tell many of its volunteers that they had been given a certain dosage incorrectly. It is now half hinting that all this may have been part of the plan, but it does not spell this out clearly. It suggests this in blurry language intended clearly to cover up rather than come clean, a long way from transparency. Not least, Oxford simply did not test the most vulnerable. Most of its volunteers in the clinical trials were 18 to 55 years of age, including those 3 individuals with whom 90% success has been claimed. That's an age group where most people recover naturally. And now, France and Germany are refusing to hand out this AstraZeneca vaccine to the elderly, to anyone above 65 years of age, on the grounds that it has never been tested on the elderly, who of course need it most. This week, the under pressure Oxford team held out 2 new promises. One, while offering some protection and reducing the severity of any infection, it also cuts down transmissibility by about 2/3. And that difference is important. A vaccinated person may be protected but still be a carrier. The lungs may be protected from the virus, but it may persist in the upper respiratory tract. Second, that it is now developing an updated version of the vaccine to guard against new variants of the virus. It hopes to have this in place later this year. We are watching that space now, but perhaps with more caution than conviction.